Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in safe mode, so drivers are minimal. First, restart and enter safe mode using F8 or Shift plus Restart. Once you're logged into an administrator account, open Settings or Control Panel and navigate to Display or Screen Resolution. Make sure external monitors are connected now, because safe mode can default to single display output. You'll be changing resolution in a stripped-down environment, so proceed deliberately and keep the monitor's native resolution in mind as your target. Now change the resolution. In Display Settings, click Advanced Display Settings or Screen Resolution and select the monitor. Pick the recommended or native resolution to ensure crisp output. If options include refresh rate, choose the highest supported by your monitor and then click Apply. Once applied, Windows will prompt you to keep or revert. Wait the 15-second countdown and confirm if the image looks correct. If the new setting fails, safe mode helps you revert without driver conflicts, so don't panic. Finish by rebooting normally to allow full graphics drivers to load and verify the resolution holds outside safe mode. If the system reverts or looks wrong, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the display adapter driver. Make sure to download the correct driver from the manufacturer when back online. If you encounter a blank or black screen after changes, return to safe mode and either roll back the display driver or run system, restore to a point before the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.